Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So I just want to bring you a quick video. Some new news that Acura just announced has to do with different models, but it might affect some Honda vehicles in the future as well. So it's definitely something to pay attention to. Right now I have information just on the Acuras, but let me explain exactly what it is. So this particular one that I just got pertains to the 2022 to 2023 Acura MDX. And like I said, I believe in the future it's going to affect more vehicles, and it might already. Let me know in the comment section if you know of anything new. That since we own MDX, we got a letter. And here's the actual letter we got. I'll put on the screen here. So this all has to do with idle stop start feature in these cars, and a lot of cars have them. Almost all the new Acura and Honda products, I believe, have it. So it's definitely something to pay attention to, because what I found out with a lot of these product updates that they release is it'll start with one model and then it'll kind of expand over the next couple months to different ones, especially since they use the same software. So, but what it has to do with is, since the idle stop feature is always engaged unless you push the button, there's been a lot of instances now where it'll turn off, say at a stoplight or stop sign, and then when it's time to activate and turn the car back on, it'll fail to turn the car back on. So then you'll have to, put the car in park really quick, push the button to turn it back on. And, if you're at a light, it could be kind of overwhelming, kind of figuring what's going on. It's supposed to start up. But I guess it's happened quite a bit. And like I said, I can't see any reason why this won't expand to different models, Hondas, Acuras, because they all use the same system on the idle stop feature. So again, let me know in the comment section if you received a letter from a different model other than MDX. But what's important about these is if you're in California and you don't get it done, because it's one of those things you have to go to the dealer and it's supposed to only take 15 minutes, but it's kind of an inconvenience. But if you don't get it done, the DMV won't renew your registration until you have this done, since it's something to do with emissions. So I just want to let you guys know that, so you're not waiting and then you go to renew the registration on your vehicle and they deny it, and then there's a whole nother issue, and you might have to pay some fees and stuff if it's not paid by the due date. So if you guys get this letter, I would go ahead and just make the appointment really quick. Just wait for it. All it is a software update, so it definitely shouldn't take that long once they see the vehicle. But I just wanted to let you guys know that, because you could run into some problems if you just, procrastinate, let it go, and you forget about it, because maybe your car's not having issues, and then you can't renew your registration, so it's another issue. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know, and this just came out about 3 weeks ago. I got the letter. Let me know if you guys got it for, like I said, any other models. I'm curious. My TLX, I haven't got it for yet, but I kind of assume in the future they'll probably release something too, since, like I said, it's the same system. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. If you guys have got it, or if you haven't yet, just maybe watch the mailbox to see if you guys get a letter. Some new news. Again, there's always a lot of issues, it seems like, coming out right now, but it's definitely good to stay on top of these. So just want to bring that to you guys. Okay. So I hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate the support I'm getting. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.